Life is too short to drive boring cars. Hi all, Andy here, and what a fantastic statement written on the back of this Audi TT Mark 1 all the way from Poland to kick off this video, which is dedicated to the great cars and people that congregated at TYne Cot Cemetery on April the 10th, 2026 for the inaugural Friday cruise through Belgium as part of the International Audi TT event weekend held here in Ypres. Led by local TT owner Maxim, who also designed this route, it has been planned to take in some breathtaking countryside, as well as stopping at poignant landmarks that signify important historic landmarks in this battlefield region of Flanders. Whilst many cars were still arriving for the weekend convention at Caddy Cars, over 25 Audi TT Mark 1, Mark II and Mark III early cars from all parts of Europe had joined up for this great cruise. As you can see from the licence plates, we had cars joining us from the UK, Belgium, France, Holland, Germany and Poland representing and giving this weekend the truly international start we were expecting. So sit back and admire this collection of standard, modified and very presentable Audi TTs from across Europe as they roll past and their drivers show us their amazing cars. I'm sure you will agree this is a fantastic lineup of Audi TT Mark 1, Mark II and Mark III cars from all over Europe. And a testament to the great community we are growing and binding together as part of the International TT Show organised on an annual basis here in Ypres by Frank, Simon and myself. I hope you will all check out the full event video here on the channel and consider joining us next year for the next instalment in 2027. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Don't forget to give this video a like, consider subscribing if you have not already done so, and most importantly, take care.